Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your HTP water heater suddenly stops responding, loses power, or refuses to heat water the way it normally should, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when hot water suddenly disappears. Sometimes the display stays blank and nothing seems to happen, while other times the system powers on briefly before acting differently again. A power related issue like this can happen because of breaker interruptions, loose connections, control settings, or temporary system delays that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major is wrong with the unit, there are a few simple things worth checking because many power issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy troubleshooting steps that may help with an HTP water heater power problem. Try these. Step 1. Check the breaker connected to the HTP water heater and confirm power has not been interrupted unexpectedly. Step 2. Inspect the power connection link with the HTP water heater and make sure everything appears secure. Step 3. Review settings on the HTP water heater if the display powers on but hot water still feels unavailable. Step 4. Restart the HTP water heater briefly if the system seems frozen or unresponsive. Step 5. Check the control area of the HTP water heater if your model includes a reset or system refresh option. Step 6. Test hot water after checking the HTP water heater and confirm normal operation begins returning again.